Welcome to Chicmas day 17. Happy Thursday. It is about, what time is it? Hang on. I want to sit on the sofa, but I'm scared of the spider. Hold up. Let's just mentally not think about it. I mean, what are the odds that the spider is still here? Today is Jonathan's birthday, so we're gonna have dinner here at home, but we're gonna go pick up the dinner. Actually, we're about to leave right now to go pick it up. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Jonathan went down to go get the food. We are at Pho So One here in Fallbrook in Woodland Hills, and I think our order should be ready because we called it in about like 20 minutes ago or so. 15-20 minutes, but I can tell you my parents are hungry, and this is their treat, so thank you, Mom and Dad. All right, he is back. Hold on. Okay, I got it. All right, we have the birthday boys food. Smells really good, huh? We got the crunchy spring rolls, this dipping sauce. There were 5, but my dad and my mom ate one already. This is my mom's food. It's the grilled pork chop over rice. Just warmed up the broth. Now we're gonna add some bean sprouts, jalapenos. I don't like to add mint to mine. And then a dash of lime. Jonathan already added some sriracha and hoisin sauce. No, thank you, Mom. I think we were just so hungry that we forgot that they also included the lettuce that you wrap around the egg roll. So that's why it looked a little bit bare. Here's Jonathan's birthday cake. It's tiramisu from Vaughn's, Mom.
Yes.
However, we will not be placing a candle due to the pandemic because of COVID. So it's basically like we're just going to sing happy birthday and that's it. No blowing out of candles. So you know what time it is. It is tea with tin. And let's just pour our water. At least I think it's still hot. I hope. Let's just get to opening the advent calendars. And then I wanted to share with you what arrived in the mail today because it's Hello Kitty related. So excited just to open it. And actually start using this stuff. Literally go broke buying all of the cute Hello Kitty Sanrio items, so you kind of have to like pick and choose which ones you want or would like to spend your money on. Let's first start with the English Tea Shop Tea Advent Calendar day number 17. Smells fruity. Gingerbread treat! Yay! Okay, that was very enthusiastic. Let me just say, I love gingerbread. Comment below, are you a fan of like gingerbread cookies, like in any like gingerbread flavors? Organic black tea with cinnamon, ginger, apple, and cardamom. All right. Trader Joe's Advent of the Cocktail Hour Chocolate Truffle, day number 17. Day number 17. Let's check this out. Dark chocolate. Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn Advent Calendar, day number 17, right up here. Joke of the day. Why did the corn stalks hold a ceremony in honor of the scarecrow? Give up to congratulate him for being outstanding in their field. All right, and then today's popcorn, orange chocolate popcorn. Ooh, that sounds interesting, right? While the tea is steeping, I wanted to share with you what I ended up purchasing, and let's see. Okay, so we have 2 items here. Colourpop order. This came in a few days ago, and I just haven't been able to unbox it because I was waiting. Well, actually, I could have unboxed it, but I was waiting for the other order, so I could kind of just share with you like a little Sanrio Hello Kitty haul. So when you open it, this is what you see. Colourpop. I don't know what I was expecting. Maybe like Hello Kitty or something. You light up my life. Colourpop. Ooh, my gosh. Okay, so here's the first one. It's the Hello Kitty and Friends bundled up. The packaging on this is just so adorable. And the blush. Oh, that's a really pretty peachy pinky color. Oh, and it has like, not really glitter, but it has some shimmer. And I love how it has Hello Kitty kind of like embossed on blush. Makes you almost not want to use it because it's just so pretty to look at, right? But we're gonna have to swatch a little bit of this. Look at that pigmentation, pretty good pigmentation from swatching. It has like a peachy gold reflex. Oh, and this mirror is so cute. Oh my gosh, okay. That is very cute. Okay, we're probably gonna repeat the same words over and over again. Next we have the Feeling Frosty, and this is the Luxe Gloss. Oh, this is cute too. Right, look at that. And the name of this is Big Bow. I think we need some of this on the lips because I'm looking a little bit. Ooh, oh, it smells good. Oh, it's kind of like, tastes kind of like, is that lemon or grapefruit? Got like some tackiness to it. Hello Kitty and Friends. This is the lip care kit. I was really interested in picking this up. Wow, this is actually a good size. Oh my gosh, look at that. Hello. After we're done with this, we are definitely repurposing these jars. Peppermint coconut lip scrub. Oh shoot, I think it got on my nose. It smells good. You know what? I think I read you the wrong name. Peppermint cookie, and this one is called Peppermint Cookie Lip Mask. Okay. Oh, it smells good. All right, so that's everything I purchased from Colourpop. This is from Herschel Supply Co. They did a collaboration with Hello Kitty, which I absolutely love. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys saw that I always would wear like the belt bags, you know, cross body, a black one, a pink one. Came out with some new products. You know, they have new backpacks and belt bags. They had a couple other things, but this is the one that really caught my eye. Here she is. This is my new laptop sleeve. Let's see. Oh yes, this is gonna fit my laptop perfectly. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then you have the 60 and then Herschel Supply Co. And then you have the classic Herschel Supply logo with Hello Kitty down here. And let's check out the padding because that's the most important thing, is the padding. Oh, cool. Oh, I like that little touch. They even put on the styrofoam, it says thank you. Oh yes, this is perfect actually. And the inside is nice and soft. It's padded. I've always been super impressed with Herschel Supply Co. quality, so I'm sure this will be no different. Let's go ahead and try our tea. Oh, this one's good. Loving the tea today. Let's eat our chocolate. Coffee martini. And then let's eat our popcorn, orange chocolate popcorn. Let's see. Ooh, you can definitely smell that orange fragrance. It reminds me of, what is that? What cereal? It reminds me of Fruit Loops. That's what it tastes like because the orange flavor is overpowering over the chocolate, but the mixture tastes like Fruit Loops. Let's go through comments and let's go with MVP Jessica Rose. Hey Jess, who are you talking to? LOL. So this is referencing Chicmas Day 15? Yes, Chicmas Day 15. Thank you so much for commenting, Jess. If you haven't checked out her channel, I will link it up in the card area. She's a fellow mommy. She is one of my besties from high school, like freshman year high school. Man, oh man, if I could just tell you some of those stories from back in the day, let me tell you, we had some fun times back then. She has such an awesome personality, and she's also a radio personality. So go check her out, send her some love. She is a really good friend of mine, and we really go way back. XXX Cherry Sakura XXX. Hey Eileen. Wow, busy day for you, Christine. How cute, the Hello Kitty salt and pepper shakers. Thank you so much for commenting, Eileen. And yes, those salt and pepper shakers were really cute. You know, I just thought I would share it because I thought it was really cute, but I didn't end up picking it up. Because it's Jonathan's birthday, we're gonna watch a movie together, and you know, I'm just gonna spend some time with them. And yeah, and then probably call it a night. Hope you still enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed hanging out today. If you did, please make sure you give this vlog a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas Day 18. Mwah.